Think if this mine had been in Australia or South Africa, it would have been developed 25 years ago. It's a very large natural resource in an excellent location. The project has great prospects for continual successive expansions and potentially some added value activities as well.
Product is stored in what's called a flat store with a flat concrete floor to keep it clean, no contamination. It's picked from there, from the stockpile, by front-loading shovels into a receiving hopper where it's fed onto a belt at a specific speed. It is then transported along 3 conveyor belts. The first one is quite long, just short of 2 kilometers in length. That takes it from the store to the shoreline. It is transferred to a second belt which comes along the barge jetty, and then to a third belt which in effect is a slewing conveyor which feeds the barge. The barge then receives the cargo through a system of conveyor belts into 2 independent hoppers. Once the barge is full, approximately 4,000 tons, it then departs about 5.7, 5.8 miles to the ocean vessel, where it is transferred into the ship. It is very unusual to have a finger jetty of this nature into the ocean. We're quite fortunate here that this area is quite well protected by Madagascar. So the seas we get here aren't, for example, similar to those in South Africa where they have the whole of the Indian Ocean to build up. From here, the seas that come here, the swells that come here, really only build from Madagascar. We have some very, very good local people here. I don't think we can underestimate the value that they are making to the organisation. There's a significant amount of expansion occurring in the near future. We're going to increase production by approximately a further 50%. A second barge has been purchased. The barge jetty and the existing barge will be augmented, and that will virtually double the capacity of the jetty. So the operation will just be seamlessly forward into the expansion.
The expansion will increase the production by approximately 50% across the full product suite, and it'll move us from a market presence of approximately 7% to in excess of 10% of the global market.